Hello everyone, welcome back. It's day 2 at Vegas. It's now 8 a.m. So early for such a long night. We slept really late. Oh my gosh. And it's only 2 hours of sleep. But today's agenda is the Hoover Dam. Can't wait to see it. It's gonna be like 50 minutes away from Vegas Strip. I hope you guys enjoy it with us. See you guys there. Chaka chaka. We're heading towards the bridge. So we're on this bridge and it's a long bridge. At the end it's just mountains, not really much to see, but you can surely see the dam. The dam there.
The actual
Hoover
dam.
What do you think about Hoover Dam?
I think the Hoover Dam is very majestic, enormous place. The scale, you got to see it in person. I don't think photos or videos will do it justice. If you're afraid of heights, it's a good place to come to.
Go.
Yeah,
If you're afraid of heights.
because you know you can't fall. I think I'm kind of afraid of heights, but I'm not sure. Just looking down into the canyon and looking down into the water, oh man, it gives you an interesting feeling. Feels like you'll fall for no reason, but it's impossible. Like there's these metal bars holding you back, unless someone snuck up on you, picked you up by the legs and like, bye.
You really see the design.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
We're done in Hoover Dam. Gonna go to Red Rock and see what's up. No hiking.
We're not prepared for the hike. It's so hot, and if you guys ever come here when it's this hot, wear very cotton, like 100% cotton shirts, clothing, so you feel light. I think I'm wearing nylon.
Or
It says
don't
70.
wear anything. It's okay.
Yeah. It's Vegas, baby.
So our parking is right there.
Over there somewhere.
The green one. We're so lucky that we got the first parking space. There's also a $10 parking lot. I'm glad we don't really need to go there.
Taking it over. This is a secret log. Has nothing to do with the trip. I'm gonna shave my head bald.
Off to Red Rock. On our way to Red Rock. This beautiful view.
Red Rock.
Red Rock. Yoo-hoo.
In 700 feet, the destination is on your right. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area.
This is where we are, Scenic Drive View in Red Rock. First stop, Calico. We're now in Sandstone Quarry. Willow Creek is the last stop at the scenic route. So this is our last stop. We're going back to our hotel. planning this nature exploration. Thank you, Vegas, for giving us a pretty tour of your nature wonders.
Thank you.
It's not all about gambling. It's not all about the strip. When you come to Vegas, you know, try out this nature stuff. It's worth it.